It's your boy Konrad. But yeah, guys, today I actually have a topic to start today's video. That's a first. So yeah, guys, you guys can probably tell by the title what I'm gonna be talking about today.
When you're burning a weed.
Alright, but first off, today we're about to go to the beach down there. It's called South Beach. Has many names, but it's called South Beach right here. We're about to go to South Beach. Throwing that up? You throwing it up?
What?
You throwing it up?
Always, nigga, watch this.
Let me see, let me see it. The Grom. That's yours? That's yours? She's valid, right? Those little bikes are mad fun.
Yeah, but like, I would never get
Yeah, the reflector. The reflector fell off. I'm about to ride around, make a video real quick.
I'm reading the video?
Yeah.
Right.
Throw it up again. I want to see you do a 12.
Fucked it up though. Me and Max just fucking
Yo.
completely broke it off.
No way.
We destroyed this shit yesterday.
There you go. Whoa. 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 Car on a fucking Grom. All right, how you set this shit up?
Okay.
All right.
Ready? You gotta make me in your video now though.
All right, all right.
Alright, ready? You're neutral.
All right, how the fuck do I change gears and shit? This is neutral.
You're not switching gears. You're just gonna go in the first. Okay,
Right.
pause. No.
Oh, fuck.
That's how you wheelie.
You're telling me.
Fuck, watch.
You're making me break this shit. All
You're
right.
just gonna hit this shit like this.
Yo, how the fuck you go this way?
All right.
Don't hit that hard, you're gonna flip
Nah,
over.
go this way. Turn me around, friend.
How do you fucking? All right, I got you.
Slow, yeah.
Hit it slow. Yeah, there you go. Go, 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 go.
That's your brake right there. That's the front.
This one?
Yeah.
Whoa. I know. All right. This ain't that hard.
Yeah, it's not.
You gotta just throw it back a lot and just trust your brakes. All right, I let go of the clutch. Shh. Back. How the fuck you put that shit back in neutral? You gotta press it up, right?
Yeah, but he fucked his shit up. You literally broke his shit.
What the fuck?
Okay?
There you go. I'm gonna get so much hate in the comments for not knowing how to ride a fucking bike. Oh, stoppy. I was gonna. The dirt.
Don't do a stoppie.
You won't do a stoppy.
Bro, he's gonna start crying. Look at her, bro.
All right, ready? I stalled it. Shh, we don't talk about this. All right, how you set the shit back up? All right, there you go. Okay.
And you're already in gear, so hold that.
All right.
Too much. Just like, look. There you go. Too much. Can't flip over.
There you go. I got it.
Hold up. Yo, hold up.
All right.
My bad.
Just killed it on me.
Yeah, no. Hold up.
All your neighbors.
Just let the baby
Oh, okay.
come out. 'Cause she's-
Woo! Whoa! Drag! Whoa! Woo. 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 Whoa, drag! Whoa! He said, hold on tight.
thought you were fucking getting ready to do something. What the fuck? No. Pop that bitch up. No, but why would you pop it up just like how you were just about to pop it up? Because you're fucking pressure on my shoulders and shit, bro. No, I'm standing on this, bro. We're gonna have really good height. That shit's fucking spilling all over me. We're not gonna have good height because I'm gonna go flying fucking backwards. No, that's why I got back break, you fucking bitch. No, I don't know how to fucking
You guys laughed at yo.
And this shit in gear. Yo, your whole gear shit is fucked.
Nah.
Nah, we fixed it. Alex cracked the fucking. He cracked the casing, yeah. He just cracked the case. Oh yeah. This, yeah, he just cracked it. Where? I think underneath or maybe on the side right here. I see it. Yeah, it's right here. I see it. It's alright, yo, that'll pop. I feel like I'm gonna pop a wheel.
I guess we're not getting to the topic of my video today because we just experienced that, and that was a pretty cool thing. I literally just rode my first like bike with a clutch and everything, and it got crashed like 10 minutes later. So that's a pretty cool experience. I feel bad for him. I honestly feel bad because it got trashed, but that sucks. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you actually want me to get myself a bike, a dirt bike. You know, maybe I'll think about it.
Will you murder the beat?
And of course, I want you guys to know, don't ride motorbike of some sort without a license. You know, I want you guys to know I have my license. So don't do anything stupid and ride it without a license and get in trouble. That's just stupid. Up in this traffic right here.
Will you murder the beat?
When you have a bike, you don't gotta sit in traffic, so don't waste your money on a car, you know what I'm saying? You got yourself a bike right here. I like how the one time I'm prepared and I'm ready to talk about anything on the camera and I have a good story to tell and stuff, that happens. Like sometimes just random happens and I just completely forget. But hopefully I'll tell you guys a story next video on the GoPro, obviously. But yeah, today's a pretty good day, and I don't really see how much people riding, but they be riding the dirt bikes and out here and stuff, you know, supermotos. Of course, illegal only. We don't do no illegal activities.
Will you murder the beat?
You guys laughed at yo.
And this shit in gear. Yo, your whole gear shit is fucked.
Nah.